Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering down the Macbook and working in a still, dust-free room. This reduces airborne particles that cause bubbles. Wipe the screen with a microfiber cloth, then use the alcohol pad and dry with lint-free strokes. Make sure to wait 30 seconds. Position the protector above the screen, align the hinge edge and camera cutout visually, and attach one guide sticker to hold the top edge. This initial alignment sets the plane so the rest will lay down evenly. Once the top is secured by guides, peel back just an inch or two of the protector backing. You want controlled exposure. Lower the exposed edge to the screen, then use a plastic squeegee or a credit card wrapped in microfiber at about a 45 degrees angle to press outward from the center. This forces air and moisture toward the edges. Continue peeling and smoothing in short increments, checking alignment as you go. If a misalignment appears, lift gently and reposition before more of the adhesive contact. You finish by removing the guide stickers and slowly laying the last section down while squeegeeing outward. This locks the contact uniformly. Check all edges for gaps and apply light pressure along the bezel to seat adhesive. For small persistent bubbles, slide the squeegee from the bubble to the nearest edge. If a bubble won't budge, lift the closest corner a bit and reapply while smoothing. Make sure to avoid dust. If dust caused the bubble, use a piece of Scotch tape to lift the particle and reseat the protector.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.